guys, I wanted to get a quick video going because Groovemember has just rolled out, and I'll talk to you a little bit about what that is. Pardon my appearance. I took a bike ride up to the corner store, and I'm still sweating, and I've got the fan going and drinking water and all this stuff, but it's like 103 degrees out. What was I thinking? We won't answer that. But I wanted to get this video out to you just to this is the first time I've opened it. I have no idea how to play with this, so I'm just going to sort of unbox it for you. So Groovemember is the add-on or module that allows you to create your membership sites or your courses. So this is what I have been waiting for this entire time. Like, I can build my entire funnel now. All I needed was a place to put my course. I didn't really want to build it in another platform. Like, I have Kartra and ClickFunnels and all that, but I didn't want to build sort of my flagship course until Groovemember had come out, and so I could have everything sort of in one place. So I'm super excited. So essentially, you just log into your dashboard, hit Groovemember, and there it is. Very exciting. Let's look at, like I said, this is the first time I'm seeing it. What do they got going on here? Yeah, they've still got some bugs going on. They've just deployed this, which is cool. So let's go to content, memberships, and I'm going to literally start my new membership site. And my membership site is called, or my first course is, Let's Just Launch. It's all about launching your course and your funnel and things like that. So I don't think I need a sub to it. Let's call that course because my domain is Let's Just Launch. So let's try that. So excited. Sales page. I don't even have a sales page created for this yet. Do I? Let's go. I'm just going to put something in here. This is my main domain, so I will put that as my sales page. It's not really, it's an opt-in page, but that's okay. If you know it, put it in there. If not, save it. Instructor, create a new instructor. Jen, the rock star Anderson. I just said that to be funny. I'm not going to put a description. Let's see if they make me. They've got a couple little front-end bugs like this. Not a concern whatsoever. I work with software all the time, and I understand what this stuff is. Like, it's just, they were rushing to get this out there. They delayed it as much as they possibly could, trying to make sure all the bugs are out. This never deploys perfectly. We don't live in a vacuum. So I absolutely trust these guys and think that they did a great job. Let me see what this is. Make sure this. All right, let's put my image in there. So this stuff does not worry me in the slightest, and it should not worry you either. It literally is developer placeholder text that probably maps to actual front end terms that they have in a separate file. So that's not a big issue whatsoever. So don't freak out if you see things like that. We'll check out what the user experience is on the front end after this. But let's go in here, grab my stuff. I'm so organized. Does it have to be and I froze. Everything froze. Give it a second. My whole computer is freezing. Make sure you upload it. Hit the upload button. That's kind of a step that I always miss, so I like to point it out every time. And hit that. There it is. Create. Oh, instructor description. Jen is a 5+ year web design and digital marketing veteran. She has 5 grown kids. You're not gonna let me do all that? Okay. We'll just put that. Fine. 80 characters. Don't go over it. Okay, design your whatever. Customize logo image. Do I have a logo for that? Not here. Ba-dum-dum. I have Whitney Houston playing in my head. Don't know why. Oh, it is in here. Featured image. Let's just pick something. Nice. Save and next. Click here to open your builder. Nice. Okay. So let's add I'm going to assume a video. Interesting that they don't have Groove video option here. I wonder if that's something that will be coming. That's fine. Then we'll put a description down here. Let's put a title right there. Let's put a button because we'll probably have some downloads that go along with that. Nice. I'm assuming this is going to look the same for all of these. Categories. Okay, this is where we create our stuff. So let's say I'm going to do like chapter 1 for me would be every time I create a course, I literally think through it as I'm building it in the builder. It helps me to see it visually. Some people like to do spreadsheets and Word documents and things like that and create an outline that way. I like to see it actually in the page builder because then I get a feel for what people are experiencing as well. So let's see what to do for introduction. Okay. Bye. These are not going to be in order, but we can probably put them in order. Interesting. So I want a different category. Like I would do the I would call that the preliminaries, and then I would go tech. Let's rename that to. This is nice. I am not hating on this. Very cool. Okay, so this has modules, and I like that better. So if we did introduction, and then what to do first, what to buy, blah, blah, blah. Then we can do, let's make sure this works well. Did it go anywhere? It looks like it deleted. Let's save and exit. Okay, they got some bugs going on. This is a little more concerning, but not terrible. I don't know what all this is. Oh, enable comments. So you toggle on if you want to enable comments. Yes, I would enable comments for any of this. Comment moderation, auto approve. Nice. Membership access levels. This is what I want to get into. Let's see. So you can add certain levels. Pardon the dogs. They have decided there's... Okay, so we've got a standard level, and you can add a different level. Like, I don't know what I would do with that necessarily, but I can see, like, if I want to add, like, a free level and give away certain parts of it, I could add this... freebie level. I don't know. And then I can give away a module, which I think is pretty cool. All right, nice. Instant access. Okay. 3 days. Oh, that's awesome. That's pretty granular. So I essentially typed in that URL or copied and pasted that URL, and here's my registration page. It'll be interesting to see how much we can change that up. I'm going to log in or create register just to check it out. Register that. Nice. And so that is what we see. Can I go to the next one? I'm just clicking on these links over here to see what happens. As far as I know, I only set up the first one. Yes. So none of the other ones are set up, and I have to go in and add content, but not bad. They're going to need to work on their loading times just a little bit. Although, to be fair, my internet's been weird ever since we had a storm. So, oh, and there's what to buy. Okay, so that worked. A hair buggy, but nothing like I was expecting, to be honest. I like it. Very good. Very good. Save and exit. Dude, I'm ready to go. Here's your analytics. My members. Okay, that's not totally in there yet. No problem. Do not care. As long as I have a place where I can send my members, I can sign people up. They can pay for it. I'm happy. So that's good for me. Please let me know what your experience is. There's my active member. Of course, the analytics will be important as we go down the road for sure, but I know they're working hard on that. So I'm very excited. I'm ready to get my course built. I will talk to you guys later because I've started to cool down. I've got my water. I'm going to put the office on naturally, and I'm going to build my course and get this going. So thank you guys for joining me. I hope this helped or was at least interesting. Please make sure you get involved in the group, Groove Junkies, and let's see what we can knock out. I want to see your membership sites. So please post them. Give me links. Get involved in this. Love it. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.